Grandma doing? Hiccup.
Oops, my hand keeps getting in the way.
Hi, Mr. Awake. He's like bored of it all.
Falling asleep again. More kisses. Oh, gross. You got your burpy thing, don't you?
Yeah.
Here you go.
I'm afraid to let go of him because he has his head around so much. Hi. Fluff. Pretty much holding his own head up. You working one out? Or are you still hungry? You still hungry? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. We'll feed you some more then. We'll feed you some more.